Hey, what's up? This is Keith Kalfas, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can see your YouTube analytics and how you can actually, go inside of YouTube, see your watch time, see how many views you're getting, and you don't do that inside of your standard YouTube app. Get out of that and go to your Play Store, whether you got an iPhone or an Android, and you want to download the app. And by the way, if this video is small and up and down, just maximize it and go to the bottom right hand corner and then expand it to full vertical, full screen, because we are vertical right now, so you can see more clearly. You have to zoom in. So just like you can go wide full screen, you can also do it vertical full screen. Okay, so go to your Play Store and type in the YouTube Creator app, just in case you don't have it, so we're on the same place. It's called, YouTube Studio. Open it up. And once you get going, you log into your channel, and then here's where you can actually see what's going on inside of your channel. So here you go, analytics, watch time for the month, 28 days rolling. Mine here is 1.3 million minutes, 250,000 views a month, plus 1,400 subscribers this month. And then if we go into the actual analytics, you can get more in depth here. So if we say our real-time views is every 48 hours, we can bring this down to every hour, right? We can go to last 90 days, lifetime of the channel, and then basically just by the month is how we do it here. So, and that's how you see your views. And if you want to watch time, very important, there you go. What you analyze expands, what you track expands. So I look at mine every day, multiple times a day across all my YouTube channels. Look at the top performing videos and okay, I see here. What is it for you? Also in this app, you can see what your revenue is, monetize playbacks, all your ads. What are you making? What is your revenue, right? Discovery, how are the videos being found? What is your audience? And then playlists. Okay, let me know if you want me to make more videos about this, because I can get really deep about YouTube. I'm just staying kind of general and simple for now. You can also answer your comments from here. See? Go on. Some comments. Boop, boop. Alrighty, my friend. That's how you do it with the YouTube Studio app. Later.